It does stink.
Whatever, you told me not to sniff it.
Is it chewy?
You'll see.
I'm so scared.
Man up.
I don't want to touch my tongue.
No, keep it. Move it around.
No, I'm scared. It's almost done. I don't want to touch my tongue.
Do it. No, keep it in.
You didn't keep yours in.
Yes, I did. Bite it. Break it open.
Okay, you can stop.
I don't know how to turn it off.
Oh my god, it's off.